we are going to be implementing a little signal buffer. I mean, honestly, Claude did a solid job here. But I know Lovable just will not do that. But maybe. There is hope. You know? I don't know where the heck it is. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to go for. This right here. With real life data. So we got the GPT prompt right here. And we'll see. We got 12 credits. Cool, cool. The goal is for it to be right here. So we'll see how it works, you know. Let's rock and roll. First, we build it, then we plug it in. Alright, it's thinking. It was doing a little thinking. A little Friday the 6th thinking. Oh. Oh boy, I just love it sometimes it'll just throw it off. But hey, look, this is cool. This is all live feed from database. And this, I did a test straight of that. Oh yeah, she's thinking now. I'm thinking of maybe giving it more time. But oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, why is that kind of cool? Why is that kind of smack, guys? What? Hell yeah, that kind of freaking smacks. Yo, that's fucking sick as fuck. Signal monitor, scanning reader network. This is perfect swap, dude. We got left side scanning, right side scanning. This thing is fucking scanning. We got the last scan right here, right? Boom, lets you know every 10 seconds it does a system scan. It shows your swap signal. Scan's completed. Lets you know that it's actually running. Finds your swaps, your success. Detects how fast it finds it. How much raiders are online with blueprints. And how much blueprints are active in the system. And this is just for... We still got to plug in this. But damn, that looks fucking cool. Yo, that's tight as fuck. Execute perfect swap. Beep, beep, beep. Alright, and after that, after we plug all this shit in the back end, we're gonna fucking make sure this button does something spectacular. Oh, we still got a bunch of modules to code and fix up. But I thought it was pretty freaking cool